Bella's second time eating from a spoon.
Yummy
Starting to get
applesauce.
good at this.
Yummy applesauce.
Yum, yum, yum. I think she likes it.
I just put it up her nose.
You got applesauce in your
No, I got
nose?
it on her neck. I'm sorry, babe.
You're crazy, little baby.
It's awesome. You're so freaking cute.
Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Yummy. You say yummy?
Where's that napkin at?
Yummy, right there. Say yummy. She says, better feed me. She says, this is a pain in my butt.
I love it. It's so yummy.
Why don't you just pour the whole bowl down her throat?
She's learning how to eat. I think your legs may be